Hi everyone. Here's a vlog of the hour. Cheese. That would be a really cute intro. Okay, we're gonna get outfit checks from everyone today.
This is from my mom's closet, and this is from my closet.
This is from TJ Maxx, and then this is from India.
This is my mommy's, and this is mine. And the socks are Walmart.
Oh, I'm not wearing socks. Wanna see?
I need a one dance. Do you guys want to see our Gabriella remix?
Oh my god! Gabriella, hands up, Gabriella. Go back off from my friend. Gabriella, back off, Gabriella. Cause you want to, I'm begging you. Why are we singing like not?
La 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 la. La 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 Do you guys want to see me doing a backflip?
Wait, yeah. Ready? I'm gonna do a backflip.
Yo. You are my sunshine, the only sunshine.
Am I officiating your wedding right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You make me happy when skies are gray. Wait, what was the song that Conrad sang at the funeral?
Oh, Gabriella. Gabriella.
Oh, beer.
Yeah,
Gabriella. La la. Beer.
Beer. Car.
Mashed potato.
Go.
Gun. Alcohol.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. What was that?
Should we go inside?
Yes. Guys. Today we're trying to find out the source of that mysterious song.
This is Nishna.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi. What? Talking to a baby. Hi.
Oh my goodness.
You got so big.
Oh my goodness.
I can't say anything with these guys. You know what? You guys keep blaming me. I sat and
We all blame each other.
Well, you sat like a weirdo.
That's how we love.
You sound like an autistic looking monkey. Yeah, you did. Shruzi's been Gabriella. We put her on after we sang Gnarly in the car.
Yeah.
And yes. What the heck?
Wait, you missed our remix, Nishna.
Yeah.
Oh
that's what
my
we wanted
God.
to show you.
Oh.
I'll go watch it. Bye.
Barbecue.
Can
you do that Indian hand thing?
Why are you digging? I'm so that it like plays it. Whoa! She immediately locked in.
Yeah, wait, it's just like an immediate.
Ray.
It's just your hand. Wait. Ah!
Are you guys catching this? It's wild. Come out.
Okay, this is the end of the vlog.
What the hell am I doing? That was horrid. Holy crap. I don't belong.
Do a backflip. I'm gonna click.
Right, left, right, turn. Right, left, right, turn.
Cross.
Cross. You should look like you're drunk. And then there's double heat. Where you go one, and then you go back, forward, back. So you go 1, Then you go back, forward, back.
No, I've never seen this before.
1, back, forward, back, down, back, forward, back, down, back, forward, back, high,
Mashed
back,
potato.
forward, back, down. Like that. Got it?
Yeah.
And I keep thinking every time I'm like, she's gonna move now. She's gonna move
More time, ready? Run! Stop!
I'm so
Ready!
I'm so into you. Oh my god.
Uno!
One,
Dos!
Five.
Tres!
5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8.
My little shoulder pep. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop. My little soda pop.
got it.
How did you get closer to me? I'm trying to fill this gap.
Okay, this is basically Tali. Then it's just
Okay. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
On 3.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, ooh, ah,